Okay, today we're going to be unboxing the Firefly 2 dry herb vaporizer, one of the more high-end dry herb vaporizers on the market, and you can see it in the price at $329.99. Just take this out. You got a nice looking box here. Just slide this out. Doesn't want to slide out.
You don't do it that way.
No, it's a two-man job. Enjoy your flight. I just might. Now let's have a look.
You do that.
Bit of a monster of a yuck. Oh, that fell out. That's probably not a good sign. Just shove it back in, and you can see it's falling apart because I let my Serbian friend use it, and he's a bit of a klutz. So this is where you turn it on. No, maybe not. Oh well, guess it's out of battery.
I think it looks like the remote. I was using that to try and change the channel on the TV.
Maybe we should put it down. Here's the cleaning kit. You can shove that in your ears if you want. And you got your cleaning wipes. Might take them home.
In your face.
Shut up. And a brush.
For brushing.
For brushing or cleaning. And we got this extra battery, which you might not even need because I hear the Firefly 2 has a brilliant battery. We got concentrate pads, which will help you concentrate, yeah, and whatever else they do. And we got a charging dock that comes along with it. So you can stick it in there and let it charge. Magnificent piece of work. And the final accessory that comes with it. Oh, I guess the Serbian guy got into this box as well. It's all broken. A lovely, lovely USB.
Wow.
Yeah. Yep. And that's it for the unboxing of the Firefly 2. I'll give it a go and tell you what I think.